today's episode of MotoCheez.
Maybe you can hire the M team.
The following movie is rated I.
What's up, Atari?
Have you played Atari today?
Gonna package up some stickers and key tags, drop them at the post office, and take a ride to Harbor Freight. Forgot to mention this, Ryan. Thanks for that. I'm gonna put that on the road back to the camper where the pond is. Gave me some filament too. Down to 2 stained key tags. A little chilly this morning. I could definitely see my fuel mileage going to be going up. Ride's nice and smooth, straight. I was also thinking when I was calculating my mileage, the kilometers is off because the other tires are 2 inches larger. So I was actually going further than what it was reading because larger tires. So I was probably getting a little better fuel mileage, whatever percentage it would be. Nothing huge, I don't think. Well, went right by the post office. I'll hit it on the way back. So 80 kilometers with the 23-inch tires. Used to be 50 miles an hour exactly, now it's 46, so that's 4 miles an hour difference. And that's with the 23-inch tires. I think these measure just under 21. Yeah, I like the bigger tires for off-road. Definitely not going to have the off-road traction with these tires that the other ones did. But until I get like a low-range transfer case, those tires are kind of worthless for where I can go with them. I can always just throw them on if I want them on. And now that they're off, I can paint the rims red too. Or I can go with a different style tire. Or I could sell them. I paid $800 plus shipping. Anybody want them? Put about 35 pounds in them. I don't know exactly what they're supposed to have. I think the max pressure on those tires are 40. Oh, I guess that one rear is 33. The little pizza cutter tires are way better on gas mileage, that's for sure. We're gonna find out, aren't we? Damn it, almost made the light. I'm gonna have to stop in that Auto Technic. Yeah, they're a little off balance. Have to get an old school bubble balancer. Then I'll break my 80 mile an hour top speed. I did have a universal joint where if you push back and forth on a yoke, you'd hear it go click click very lightly. So I wonder if that's what that little rattling's coming from. I'll park it next to this bigger van. Let the turbo wind down. I haven't been using a turbo timer.
A few moments later.
Jeez. Go in for one thing, you come out with $250 worth of stuff. Thanks, Harbor Freight.
It's Japanese.
Yeah.
It is.
Yep. It's Daihatsu. Toyota owns them now.
Yeah. I've never seen this. I've seen versions of these.
Yeah.
They're usually a little bigger.
Oh, okay. I have a truck like this too, the little mini truck.
You love it?
Oh yeah.
Something like this off the internet?
No, there's dealers all over now. My first one I bought in Jersey.
How much?
The first one I bought when I bought it was only like $5,000. Now they're up to like 8, 9. But they have to be 25 years to be able to register them. They have to be imported at 25 years with the paperwork.
So you get some. What's the name of this?
This is Daihatsu. They have Subarus, Suzukis.
How would I look something like this up?
Look up mini truck dealer.
Mini truck dealers? Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, because we're always looking for something. We do a lot of like touring on the motorcycle and shit. We're really looking for something that we could spend a couple nights in the back
yeah.
of.
Well, that's what I've been doing with this little by little. Been converting it to
I've been having to look in because I thought it was neat. And I noticed some of those.
Yeah.
Like the fridge a little.
What kind of bike you got?
I got a V-Strom 650 Suzuki.
Okay.
We do a ton of touring on the motorcycle.
Yeah.
I mean, we go and go. We went down to Tennessee last year. This year we want to go.
Oh, you went to that motorcycle campground?
Yeah, Yeah. We'll camp right off the bike. We'll stay wherever. But when we're doing like 500 miles a day, I'd like to be in a hotel.
Oh yeah.
And you know, if you do a 30-day trip, you're looking at probably $2,500 in hotels.
Oh yeah, you're right.
If I could save that, I could do a 3-month trip. Right?
Yeah.
I don't know. If I get it all in one like this under 10 grand, I'd be a happy man.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel. I do motorcycles and these little mini trucks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But they're more enduros. It's MotoCheez.
MotoCheez.
There's a thing on the back if you want to take a picture of it or whatever.
Yeah. We did, my wife and I, we did Mount Washington, did the Tail of the Dragon.
Oh, yeah.
Skyline, we did Blue Ridge. This year we're going through Canada.
Nice.
So we're really looking forward to it.
Yeah.
We love it. That's my passion.
Yeah.
One more year here, I'm going rocking around the motorcycle year round.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not doing the snow no more. No riding here in Connecticut, because I've lived a lot of places.
Yeah.
Some of the best motorcycles
I know, yeah.
I've ever done in my
Yeah, I
life.
do the enduro stuff all through here.
Do ya?
Yeah. That's on my channel. I do. I have a DRZ 400.
Hope like people love those
Yeah.
things.
I started buying little Chinese 250 enduros just, because they're so cheap. The things are great. They used to be like $1,100. Now they're like $1,600. But a little 250 enduro, I love it too. I ride all over. I'm up near Kent, like just below Kent, like Gaylordville area. And there's back
nice
roads
ride right up there.
and trails all up through there. Yeah.
Enjoy the season. Stay
Take it
safe.
easy.
I'll check you out.
All right, thanks.
It's a nice little truck.
Thanks.
It's cute, man.
Yeah, little right-hand drive. Toyota makes them now.
Wow.
Daihatsu, it's an import.
What year is that?
This is a 92.
What is it, like for golf courts or something?
No. No, they drive them all over the road.
It's weird.
It's legal on the road.
It's pretty cute.
Yeah. Yeah, they're fun. I got a little pickup truck like this, a dump truck.
Nice.
They're good for working.
All right, you have a good day.
You too.
Got room too. Son of a bitch.
Oh, a lot of room.
Carry plywood.
Yeah.
Just-
Yeah, look at the
just
headroom
nice,
in
right?
there. Stick your head in there. I mean, I took the back seats out and stuff.
Little fool around with the wife and the girlfriend.
That's right. Not both at the same time,
Yeah,
no.
not both at the same time.
You too. Everybody likes the microvan. If you don't want to be stopped and talk to people, don't buy one of these little micro minis. Come on. I wonder why it does that. Well, that's the worst start ever. I'm gonna have to figure out what the heck is going on with this. Bet you the carburetor's leaking. I have to throw some more seafoam in her. We'll take the back way. Something got sucked up in there. Definitely rolls a lot easier with these little tires. Little pizza cutters. That's some graffiti I can agree with. Oh, look, it's a gas foot breaker. Man. Don't you love these people that hold their foot on the brake and keep hitting it? I can see driving with your foot and your brake, but, you don't have to keep hitting both. Guess I'll fill up at Gumbyland Farms. Good to open it up, get the carbon off her at 80 mile an hour run. Clean out the carburetor maybe. Still got the little titties on the tire. My alignment must be close. Yep, I'm gonna go with the plus this time. $4 a gallon for mid-grade. Yeah, the guy from Japan say that all you really need is 89. 6.5 gallons. 21.23, huh? Reset. Let's see what we get next time. $5.0. Oh, look, I got another red light. Oh, look, another red light. It's an ambulance. Oh, another red light. I have to pull this drive shaft out and see what the hell's making that noise. I think it might be that loose universal joint, believe it or not. Another red light. Where do you put the red light magnet? Yeah, I passed it. Had to take the back way in. Thanks, Jason and Alan. Thanks, Atari. Look at all that stuff. This is the noise. It's like play between these cups. There's a grease fitting on there. I don't think so. Take the drive shaft off. There's no boobies on the back tire. We still got some boobies on the front tire. Must be that tire ripping torque. Huh, that wasn't even tight, really. Oh, I didn't think of that. Wish there was a grease fitting. That definitely fixed that pretty good. Drive that cup in a little. The U-joints are good. Think that'll do it. Put a little grease on the spline. It is an oil, but I'll grease it anyway. That's not much of an angle at all, really. Keep our fingers crossed. What a mess. Let's see if this drive shaft noise is gone. Let it warm up a bit. See, the choke is on and it has high idle. I don't understand why it starts so hard. I think it's flooding. And I probably should pull spark plug out just to look at it and see if it needs plugs. Set the time on this. Don't have daylight savings time. It's condensation. It's not oil, boys. Haven't burned a drop of oil. We had some rain last night. A lot of rain. As you can see, the choke does open when it's warmed up. See the mixture? I think I still hear that drive shaft very little. What the heck could that be? The mini truck drive shaft has way more of an angle than that. There's something vibrating under there? What could that possibly be? I could take a little more lift away on the rear, but I kind of hate to. 100 kilometers should be 62 miles an hour, and it's not. And these are stock size tires. That vibration is going to drive me nuts now. Couldn't hear it when the tires were loud. Pull right out. Idiots.
You're an idiot.
Ooh, that river's high. Had a hell of a rainstorm last night. This guy.
Wow.
Idiots.
He's got somewhere to be. I thought it was somebody you knew or something.
No.
Only your horn was more intimidating. I know, no blinker either, for anybody.
Look at this asshole.
Just swerving around.
I was hoping to get him at a red light and be like, you're a f***ing asshole.
Yeah, you're over 50 now, you're still trying to get into fights.
Scion's gonna beat me. Look at him beating him. Beat the Scion.
Yeah, I feel like they actually tried too.
He did you hear him? Woo! Beat a Scion! There goes my fuel mileage again.
Yeah.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.